Hey there! Welcome to ArtiGenius, your creative learning home. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to enroll in a course step by step, so you can start learning your favorite art form in no time. All right, let's jump in. Once you log into your ArtiGenius account, the first step is simple. Head right up to the top menu and click on the Courses button. That's where all the magic begins. Here you'll see all the amazing courses waiting for you. But don't worry, you don't have to scroll endlessly. Use the filter panel on the left to find exactly what you're looking for. Choose your core area, like dance, music, painting, whatever your heart desires. You can also filter by level, beginner, intermediate, advanced, or by language and class duration. Let's make this easier. I'm selecting music, beginner level, and Hindi language. Here's the course I've picked, taught by Nilesh Pandey Sir. On this page, you can see everything you need to know: the tutor's information, course reviews, type of class, duration, recommended weekly schedule, total level up classes, and the fee per class. This one's a group class, 60 minutes long, 250 rupees per class, recommended twice a week. And if you still have questions, you can even chat directly with the tutor before enrolling. Once you're ready, click the Enroll Now button. Here's where you choose your class timings. Pick any 2 slots per week that fit your schedule. Not seeing a time that works for you? No problem. You can request an alternative schedule. Just suggest your preferred timings, and if your tutor is available, they'll approve it for you. After selecting your timings, click Add to Cart. This is where we take a moment to check our selections. Think of it like your final review before the fun begins. Here's your fee summary, including GST. If you have a coupon, now's the time to apply it. Once you're ready, click Checkout, complete your payment, and congratulations! You're all set to start learning from your favorite teacher. So that's it. Happy learning, and see you in class.